Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you everything in the new update. No! We're gonna go in the Omni Tower for this. Okay, so we have a new camera.
This camera
thing. Yeah, it's not really a camera. So this is the puffball. So if you grab a camera, it just follows this.
No, I mean
it's
this
only
camera.
the
This
GoPro. Yeah.
The news camera, so you can turn it. It's the new camera that follows only you. But if you take out this ball, and you can also float in air, so you
can also make very cool edits. Okay, and by the way, the drone also follows it. So look.
Oh, it does?
Look, grab it. Grab this. Yo, grab this. And now walk with it.
Finally, I can have a place for my drone.
There's also a chainsaw, but I don't own that. Thank you. So, and look, if you don't have it turned down, you can do this. It's not much like that, but if you turn it down,
and it doesn't deal damage.
And it doesn't deal damage, he says.
Yeah, it doesn't deal damage.
Can I have another one, please? Okay, guys. Okay, so everything in its path. So if you're scared or griefers or something will use it, you can't. It only the owner of the map can use it. And what if it's in wild? You say?
You cannot use it.
You cannot use it in public roads.
Well, you can pull it out.
There's
can't turn it on.
Also a new block, kind of, the zone copier. So I'll show you.
Oh yeah,
so
I own that too.
POV, you wanna copy this?
Yeah, let's just say we copy this part.
Yeah, let's just say we copy all of this. Yes, we copied that. You copy it.
That part.
You do this.
If you move and paste,
do that.
Kaboom!
Boom. Okay, guys. There's also a new map, so let's go there. Chad. CH80.
Let's go.
Good boy. In the back of my mind.
I didn't know after the
There are button stashes in the new map.
Yes,
yeah,
there are, and we'll be showing that.
Where is it actually?
Follow me, guys. Okay, guys, this is the new map.
I know 2 button stashes.
Okay, there's one here, guys.
Tree. I don't know tree.
One here,
one
guys.
Is there. Then go up here.
Okay, you will go up here.
Come on, I'm the say so really.
Let me get up.
Okay, guys.
And then go up here. Then boop. Button stash.
Thank you, bro. Guys, there may be one here, if you think correctly. Could be one here.
No, I remember now. I remember button stash. I'm pretty sure it's all like on this one, like. Is that maybe like? I'm pretty sure it's somewhere on these bars. Somewhere at the bars.
How?
Wait, maybe it's behind the bars? I found it!
Where?
Hey, I found it! Up there!
Let's find the next button stash.
I don't remember. I'm sorry, but I do not remember.
Okay, guys, actually, there should be one.
Wait, I remember one. One on the log. I was one is on the log.
In here?
Possibly. I found it.
Okay, guys.
Here.
Here we have another one.
Yeah, and that's the.
Yeah, guys. We gave up. We couldn't find the fifth one.
Yeah.
So yeah.
A nice ball.
I found it.
Oh! What? He found it, guys.
It was actually so hard. Oh my.
Where is it? Where is it? Where was it? I mean, where is it?
Here. This
Oh.
thing. You can see it?
Oh, that's evil.
Guys, turns out we didn't actually have to. We didn't.
Yeah.
So our friend found it. Where was it again? Was it here? No.
Yeah, it was here. No, it wasn't. It was.
Where was it again? I don't see it. Okay.
It was in here.
It's like
Yeah, it
So-
was.
so wait.
It's a bit there.
so. If you go on the yellow crane, like here at the back, you go like this. It's this, and then you click the button.
Oh, I
right here.
almost fell.
It's right here, guys. Somewhere right here. Or it's here.
Guys.
So
No, it's in here. It's in here. Here.
yeah, guys. It
It
was,
was in the middle.
it was right here in the middle. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.